I hope you all are well, beta. And class 9, we have done chapter 6th. Okay, 6.3 last question was pending. Okay, in last lecture I left only question number 6 of exercise 6.3. Why? Because do you know, if ever anyone who has full lecture of mind, he can or she can understand then why I left that. Now in this lecture, beta, this lecture will gonna be very short and very small. Only 3 theorems we will discuss here. Why I am discussing these theorems, beta? These theorems are very important point of view, very important from the government job point of views. Many candidates who are preparing for government job, who have to discuss all these 3 theorems. Okay, so you are in class 9 and you are going to discuss with a very important topic. Okay, now see, without any delay I am going to start theorem number 1. See beta, what is the theorem number 1 states? Suppose you are given a triangle ABC. ABC. Suppose you are given a triangle ABC and bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C, it meeting at O. ABC is a triangle. Bisector of angle B and bisector means which is dividing angle in 2 parts such that this angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Okay. Now bisector of angle B and angle C meets at O. Then what is the relation between O and A? Okay beta. See what is given here. Here is given a triangle ABC. A triangle ABC where bisectors of angle B and angle C meet at O. This is O beta. Meet at O. To prove, what we have to prove beta? We have to prove the relation between angle O and angle A. See, this is the relation. Angle this. Angle O, I am giving it angle O. Name angle BOC you can write. Is equal to 90 plus angle A by 2. This is angle A. O will be 90 plus A by 2. Got it? Done? Now we have to prove it. Once let me make you understand then how we can achieve this target. Okay? Then I will write the whole solution. See beta? Suppose this is x, it will be x, yes or no? Done? Now see. Suppose this is y, it will be y, yes or no? Got it beta? Done. Now what we have to find? We have to find this angle. Suppose this angle is 1. I am giving name to these angles only to make you understand the concept. Once you see what I am doing here, definitely each point will be clear to you. See beta, in triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C is 180, yes or no? Done. Sit. Angle A, that is 2. Angle B is 2x and C is 2y. It will be 180. Yes or no? Done beta. From here 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus angle 2. Yes or no? 2x plus 2y is 180 minus angle 2. If you take 2 common from here, what you will get? X plus y is 180 minus angle 2 by 2. Yes or no? This is the value of x plus y. Now see beta, if you see the triangle BOC, see beta, sorry, I will write the whole solution once again. Just now I am trying to make you understand. See, now in triangle ABC, 1 plus x plus y is, angle 1 plus x plus y is 180. Yes or no? Done? Okay. Then what is the value of x plus y? Can I write? 180 minus angle 2 by 2 is equal to 180. Done beta? Plus. Once you put 180 by 2, then minus 2 by 2. Okay? Now it will be 90, yes or no? Then shift these two towards that, you will get angle 1 is equal to 180 minus 90 plus 2 by 2, and this can be the solution. From here you can get the result. Okay, you got my point? Once again I am repeating the question beta. See, so that you can understand it well. What was given here? Here a triangle ABC is given. A triangle ABC is given. Okay. See what I am writing. I am writing proof. See, in triangle ABC, in triangle ABC, angle A, angle B, angle C is 180. Yes or no? Angle sum property. Angle sum property. Done beta? Now see. Angle, leave it. Don't write 2 and 1. You will be able to find the answers. Okay, this see. Angle A. What is B? B is 2x. C is 2y is equal to 180. Yes or no? From here, if you see, you can get 2x plus 2y is equal to 180 minus angle A. 2 can be taken as common, x plus y is equal to 180 minus angle A. Now, x plus y is equal to divide by 2. If you divide by 2, 180 by 2, distribute this. From here, you will get x plus y is equal to, cut it, 90 minus A by 2. Yes or no? This is the first solution. See beta, once again what I did here, I use the angle sum property for ABC, and what I did, I find the value of x and y. Why this x and y I am highlighting? Because this x and y is the interior angle of, are the interior angles of BOC triangle, okay, where O is to be found. See, now in triangle BOC, can I write angle O plus x plus y 180, yes or no? What is this? Angle sum property. From here, angle O is equal to 180 minus x plus y, yes or no? Done beta? Angle O is 180 minus, what is x plus y? This is x plus y. 90 minus A by 2. Okay. Therefore, angle O is equal to 180 minus 90 minus plus A by 2. Done. Therefore, hence we can prove that angle O, what we got? 180 minus 90, 90 plus A by 2. This was to be proved, hence proved. Okay beta, very important question, very important theorem beta for all aspects, okay. Everybody please watch the video again if it is not clear to you all, but I think this is the simplest method by which you can explain this theorem. Okay, what we used angle sum property of ABC and BOC, and hence the result is done beta. Take the screenshot. Okay, done. Now next theorem beta. Now what is the next theorem? Here see, what is the next theorem? Here we have taken the bisector of interior angles. Next theorems, we will take the bisector of exterior angles. We will take the bisector of exterior angles. See, Suppose this is the triangle ABC. Suppose this is the triangle ABC and AB is produced and AC is produced. Okay, AB and AC are produced. What it will be? These are exterior angles. Yes or no? These are exterior angles. Let this is the bisector of this and this is the bisector of this. Bisector of angle B and bisector of angle C meeting at O. Meeting at O. Got my point? ABC is a triangle where AB and AC sides were produced and the bisector of angle B and angle C meet at O. Bisectors of exterior angles, angle B and angle C meet at O. Okay. What we have to prove? The relation between this and this is this. See everywhere, see everyone here. What is given? A triangle ABC. ABC where AC and AB are produced such that exterior angles B and C are formed. Okay, then and bisectors of angle B and not B of exterior angles B and C meet at O. Okay, see, a triangle ABC is given. AB and AC are produced such that exterior angles B and C are formed. Okay, and bisectors of exterior angles B and C meet at O. Done, beta? Okay, now what we have to prove? See, beta, to prove the relation between this and this time angle BOC is 90 minus A by 2. If you remember, beta, in that interior it was 90 plus A by 2. Right now it will be 90 minus A by 2, and so simple is that. See, beta, once I will explain the proof to you so that you can understand which steps we have to take, and then you will find the perfect written proof. Okay, see, this is X, this is X, this is Y, this is Y. Okay, done, beta. Name these angle 1 and 2. See, beta, if I use B and C, you will be confused, exterior angle B or exterior angle, that's why. Okay, now what is our motive? Our motto is find the relation between X and Y. X and Y, because this plus this plus this is 180, and again we will get angle O like we found in earlier question. Okay, see what I am trying to explain it to you. See, beta, what is angle A plus 1 plus 2? Everybody pay attention. 1 plus 2 plus A, 180. Okay, done. Yes or no? Done. Now see everyone what I am doing. I am doing to finding the value of 1 plus 2. I am finding the value of 1 plus 2 here. See what you will get. 1 plus 2 is 180 minus A. Yes or no? Keep it in your account. See, beta, I am making you understand. I am not writing in the perfect manner. Just you everyone try to watch. See, beta, 1 plus 2x is 180. 2 plus 2y is 180. Yes or no? 1 plus 2x is 180. Angle 1 plus x. It whole angle is 180. Angle 2 y plus y. Whole angle is 180. See, angle 2 plus 2y is equal to 180. Done. Now if I add these, what I will get? 1 plus 2 plus 2x 2y is equal to 180. And what is the value of 1 plus 2? 180 minus a plus 2 into x plus y is equal to 180. Yes or no? Then beta, I will shift these towards that. What it will be? 2 into x plus y, 180 minus 180 plus a cancels. Okay, what will you get? 2 into x plus y is equal to angle, see beta, 2 into x plus y is equal to angle A. Okay, done. From here, see, what can I get? X plus y is equal to a by 2. X plus y is a by 2. Done? Sure? Everyone? Now see beta, this will be 180 minus x plus y. Yes or no? This will be 180 minus x plus y, and then you will get the solution. See, once again I am repeating the question beta. Everyone please pay attention. Once again I am repeating, sorry. See beta, once again I am repeating the question. Okay, I am writing the proof. Everybody see just. See, 1 plus x is equal to 180. Y straight angle. Yes or no? Therefore, and angle 2 plus y is equal to 180. Straight angle, yes or no? Sorry, there 360 was to be written. Why made a mistake there? See everyone, see here. Everybody please watch it. There was a little mistake by which was not corrected. See here, it will be correct. Okay, now see. If we add these two, what will we get? 1 plus 2, 2x, 2y is equal to 360. There by mistake I wrote 180. It was the mistake earlier beta. Now do not worry, it is corrected. Now see. 1 plus angle 2. What is 1 plus angle 2? This is 360. Oh, sorry. Choice is yours. If you want to find the angle 1 plus 2, you will get the relation also. But I will finding x plus y here. Why? It will give you the result directly. See what I am doing here. Everyone just see. 1 plus 2 can be written as what? See beta. Here 1 plus 2 can be written as 180 minus angle A plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. Why? Because A plus 1 plus 2 is 180 degree. Therefore, angle 1 plus angle 2, 180 minus angle A. ASP. Yes or no? ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. That's why I am saying A plus 1 plus 2 is 180. A plus 1 plus 2 is 180. Okay? See. Now 2x plus 2y is equal to, there is 360 minus 180 plus angle A. 2 common, x plus y is equal to 180 plus angle A. Done? Yes or no? From here see beta, what will we get? X plus y, shift to 2 towards this, 90 plus A by 2. X plus y is 90 plus A by 2. Now see beta, in triangle BOC, this is angle O plus x plus y is 180. Angle O is equal to, x plus y is this one, see beta, plus this is 90 plus A by 2 is equal to 180. Therefore, angle O will be, here is 180, shift towards right. Therefore, angle O is 180 minus 90, 90 minus A by 2. 90 minus A by 2. This is the answer. Okay? You want me to repeat once again? Don't worry, beta. I am repeating once again. You everyone, please pay attention. Try to understand the question. See, beta, what is given here? Once again, I am repeating, beta. 1 plus x is 180. Yes or no? This is the linear, straight angle. Straight line is this. 1 plus x, 180. 2 plus y, 180. We add these two equations. We get 1 plus 2 plus 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. By adding beta. Equations. Okay. 1 plus 2 we got this. 1 plus 2 can be written as 180 minus a. See, a plus 1 plus 2 is 180. A plus 1 plus 2 is 180. Therefore, a 1 plus 2 can be written as 180 minus a. 180 minus a. 1 plus 2 I wrote 180 minus a. 2x plus 2y is equal to 360. We shifted these two towards right. 2x plus 2y 360 minus 180 plus angle A. Done. 360 minus 180, 180. 2 is common here. 2 common, x plus y 180 plus angle A. Done. X plus y is equal to, divide by 2, 90 plus a by 2. 90 plus a by 2. Done, beta. Now see, in triangle BOC, in this triangle, if we observe x plus y, value of x plus y is 90 plus a by 2. Yes or no? Value of x plus y is 90 plus a by 2. If we put x plus y or replace x plus y with 90 plus a by 2, we got angle O plus this portion is equal to 180. And then these two are shifted towards right, and angle O is 180 minus 90 minus a by 2. 180 minus 90, that is 90 minus a by 2. See, beta, it was the relation we were to prove. Angle BOC 90 minus a by 2. Okay, note down. You can take the screenshot. Done, beta. Now see. Now the last theorem. The last theorem, see, beta, in first theorem we discuss when the bisector of interior angles are drawn. In second question we discuss when the bisectors of exterior angles are drawn. Now in theorem number 3, third theorem, we are going to discuss one exterior angle and one interior angle are concerned and their bisectors are drawn which meet at some point. Then the relation we have to find. See, beta, I am taking the question exercise 6.3, question number 6. Why I am taking from there? Because this is the theorem asked in form of question in exercise 6.3. See, beta, question number 6, exercise 6.3. What is given here? Here a triangle is like this. Triangle is like this. PQR. And if you see the bisector of Q and bisector of R meets at T. Bisector of Q and bisector of R meet at T. Done, beta. Now what is the relation? We have to find the relation between this angle and this angle. See, beta, in first theorem we discussed the relation of angle formed by the meeting point of bisector of interior angles. Okay. Then in second theorem, the relation of the angle that was made by the meeting point of bisectors of the interior angle. Now this is the third theorem where we are going to discuss the relation of the angle made by the meeting point of bisectors of one internal and one external. Okay, x, y, y. X and y, y. See beta, suppose this is angle 1. Suppose this is angle 1. See beta, here I am going to apply again angle sum property for triangles in two times. PQR and then TQR. You will get the result automatically. It's my guarantee. See beta, what is first you have to write in a given. If figure is given, it's okay. If figure is not given, for theorem I am writing here a triangle PQR where bisectors of interior angle Q and exterior angle R meet at T. Okay. To prove, see beta, this is the relation. Angle T will be P by 2. Angle T will be P by 2. By mistake I wrote A. Angle P is half of T is half of P, or you can say P is double of this. This is half of this. Okay? Proof. PQR is a triangle. PQR is a triangle. If you observe, what is this? This is exterior angle. Exterior angle is sum of this and this. Yes or no? Yes or no? Beta, students, tell me. 2y is the exterior angle. It will be sum of P plus 2x. Angle, y. 2y is equal to 2x plus angle P. Y exterior angle theorem. See everyone, 2y is the exterior angle for PQR. That's why 2y is equal to 2x plus P. Now see, if you can observe this triangle. Now you see, if you observe this triangle, here y is the exterior angle and y will be x plus t. Yes or no? Done beta? It will be x plus t. And y is equal to x plus angle t. Exterior angle theorem. This is for triangle TQR and this is for triangle PQR. Okay. Here I applied exterior angle theorem twice for PQR and TQR. Done? Now see. This is first equation, this is second equation. You just use this equation 1. Put y is equal to x plus t in equation 1. See what happens. If I put these values here, y is equal to, here is 2y now, 2y x plus angle t, 2x plus angle p. Okay. Now see, 2x plus 2 angle t is equal to 2x plus angle p. 2x will cancel 2. Okay. What you got? You got 2 angle t is equal to angle p. From here angle t is angle p by 2. Okay beta, hence proved. Hence proved. Okay, done. Once everyone see what I have done, 2y is equal to 2x plus v for this triangle. See beta, I am doing this triangle. For PQR, if you observe, this is exterior angle. That's why 2y is equal to p plus 2x. Done. Now for this triangle, if we rub this, for this triangle TQR, y is exterior angle which is equal to t plus q. Okay, which is equal to t plus q. Then what it will be? Y is equal to x plus t. Put the value of y is equal to x plus t here. You will get the result. Angle P is equal to double of angle T, or angle T is half of angle P. Okay, beta. Now class 9. Your 6 chapters have been completed. 6 chapters have been completed, and what is your new schedule? From the next video, I am going to start chapter 7, and everyone, whatever I have said, you all have to notice, beta. Very, very important chapters are going on. 5 to 11, all chapters are interlinked. So please do not skip even a single video. Be regular, be attentive, like the video, share the video, and please give positive comments. Have a nice day, beta.